let's just put this thing here as a constant reminder of what I promised myself to do, because I don't trust myself sometimes. Again to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluwayemisi and some people call me Shante. If this is the first time seeing this face right here, that is because you're new here and you're yet to join the gang. So I want for you to click on that subscribe button that is right below this screen. It's not going to click itself, so you have to use your fingers and your mouse pad and like scroll down to where that subscribe button is and just click on it. It is totally free, it won't cost you nothing. So today I'm bringing to you guys this look that was inspired by this colorful scarf. So what really happened was that my friend wore this scarf to work during the week and I couldn't get my eyes off it. Like, I just kept on thinking that, wow, what a beautiful scarf. I gotta create a look, I gotta create a look. And it just kept ringing in my head and I had to tell her that, please, can you give me your scarf? And she was kind enough to give it to me, and here we are today. If you guys are interested to see how I created this eye makeup look that I have on here, you know what to do. Let's get it going. Okay, so this is the scarf that is inspiring the look for today. So let's just get right into these eyes and like try to see how we can like use this to create something nice and pretty. So of course the first thing I'm going to be doing is to be going into my YangaBeauty Eyeshadow eyeshadow primer as a base for my eyeshadow today. I think we should just keep this scarf here so that it reminds me of what I'm going to be doing and I don't get carried away. So as usual, I'm going to be blending this all over my eyelid area. Actually, I'm going to take it above my eyelid because I want a lot of pigments in my transition space as well. I'm actually thinking I should put a bit of powder under my eyes just to prevent or to protect me from fallout, because I can already see that I'm going to be a mess today if I'm not careful. Okay, so the eyeshadow primer is blended. Now I'm going to be going into what I have in mind, and for that I'm going to be using my Morphe palette. This is the 35B1 and I'm using this eyeshadow palette today because it has a whole bunch of vibrant colors in it, and just looking at this palette most times makes me happy. So I'm going to be going into this color right here for my first color, this lemonish green color, and I'm going to be using this brush to pack it on my crease. I like this brush a lot when I'm trying to pack on color because it just does the job very seamlessly. The brush is from Beauty Planet and it is the 095 brush. I don't know how I got this brush. I think I stole it from somebody. So I'm going to be packing that green color in the beginning part of my transition area like this. There, I'm going to clean away the excess color on that brush. I'm going to go into this blue color right here and I'm just going to be packing that on immediately after the green, just like after it's like this, and I'm going to try to blend it into the green. So I've cleaned away the excess color on the brush and I'm going to dip the brush into this pink color here, and that color is going to go at the end of my crease after the blue. As usual, I'm blending that into the blue as well, and this is what we have so far. Am I looking like a colorful bed yet? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to dip my brush, another blending brush, into this color yellow here, and what I'm going to be doing with this color is to blend out the edges of all of these three colors that I've applied. So I'm going to like carefully blend this outwards just so that there are no harsh lines on my crease area and I cannot tell where the color starts and where it ends. And because I feel like I lost a little bit of color from what I intended to lose, I'm just going to go back with the precise brush and I'm going to apply the colors back on. Okay, so I'm going to leave this as it is right now and I'm going to proceed to cut my crease. I'm going to do like a full semicircle crease cut and I'm going to be using the same eyeshadow primer that I used to do that. I'm going to go like way higher up my crease so that the color can like show and it won't like stain the upper part of my lid area. what we have. The color that I'm going to be using on my lid area is the same yellow shade that I used to blend out the colors on my crease, and I'm just going to be packing this color on. So I'm gonna leave this as it is for now. I'm gonna try to like do the same thing to this eye, and I'll be right back. So yeah, my other eye is done, and it's now time to line my eyes. I'm gonna be using my Inglot 77 gel eyeliner to do that today. So I'm gonna be drawing my wings, and they're gonna be sharp. For lashes today, I'm gonna be going into the LashedByChibee in the style PartyRocker. I'm going to be taking a little bit of the eyeshadow primer that I used, and I'm just going to like smudge that under my eyes. And I'm going to be taking the pink color that I used in the outer corner. I'm just going to smudge that right on top of the eyeshadow primer. And for my waterline, I'm going to be using the Mabrook pencil in black. Finally, for the eyes, I'm going to be taking the BMO 4D lengthening mascara. I'm going to be applying that for my bottom lashes and my top lashes. So that'll be all for the eyes. Now I'm going to go ahead to use the Maybelline FitMe powder to like dust off all of the excess powder on my face. So to highlight my face, I'm using the Nuban Beauty D-glow highlighting palette. This is by far one of my favorite highlighting palettes. For blush, I'm going to be applying the Milani Baked blush in the shade Red Vino. Lips, I'm going to be using the BMO matte lip pencil. These are called the lip bullets. This is the color pink. I don't have the number written on it. I think it's wiped off, and I'm just going to be applying this all over my lips. And lastly, to seal up everything, I'm going to be using the Milani Make It Last setting spray. Guys, here is the finished look. I want you guys to rate me in the comment section and tell me how well I did in creating a look that was inspired by this scarf right here. I would normally not wear this kind of look out. Of course, I don't want to go out there and look like a crazy person, but just for the fun of it, I created this look. Please remember to subscribe, like this video if you did enjoy it and learned a thing or two. I'll be looking forward to seeing you guys in my next video, so please subscribe. So till I come your way next time, you guys should have fun, and I can't wait till the next time.